Hi, in this video I'm going to be testing the cleaning performance of the Alfawise A6. In particular, I'll be looking at the edge cleaning performance. During the first video I did for this robot, I noticed that it bumped into objects really hard and it wedged itself against the door stopper a few times. I checked the manual and it has this soft touch feature that I didn't turn on, and the manual says that when you turn on the soft touch feature, it will not bump into objects but at the expense of edge cleaning. So you'll notice that if you watch the first video, which I'll link to below, you'll notice that it acted like a battering ram at times, where it would bump into the wall repeatedly. That's because I had the soft touch feature turned off, and I will turn on this feature and I'll see how it reacts, how it handles edge cleaning, how it handles navigates around obstacles, particularly the legs of the bed and the wall. And so I'll prepare the oats and powder right now. I'll be preparing around 70 grams of oats and powder, and here's the mess that the Alfawise has to work with. I've scattered 70 grams of oats and powder around the room. Most of it is here in the middle. I just want to test the cleaning performance here. And the edge cleaning, for the edge cleaning, I've scattered a bunch over here near the door, and here on the side, and finally here near the tripod area. We'll see how the robot performs with the soft touch feature turned on. And the soft touch feature, if you're curious, is here. If you look at the remote, the soft touch feature would be here, would be this button here, right in the middle beside the timer. And let's get started. stopped the robot at around the 19-minute and 44-second mark, and here's the floors after I let it run for that period of time. And for the most part, was able to pick up a lot of the oats and powder in the middle of the floor, and I'm sure some of it got swept under those boxes there. We'll find out how much this robot picked up in a bit, but I just want to show you the edges here. Surprisingly, it was able to clean most of it over there. It was able to clean the edges over here, and it did leave some over there near the door. And let me just give you a closer look here, right in the middle of the room. Okay, there's the area near the door. Some of the oats got swept near the wood molding there, and here's the middle of the room. Pretty much was able to clean up a lot of the dirt right in the middle. And let's take a look at the bin. I have the robot here and the weighing scale. Let me just take off the bin here. And this is what it got. It's actually pretty full. If you look at the bin, it's actually pretty full. And I like how this bin is designed. It's really sealed. The HEPA filter is located here at the back, and this part is really sealed off, and this is the opening where the dirt goes in. And let's empty the bin and see how much it was able to pick up. And I'll just give you a closer view of the weighing scale so you can see how much dirt it was able to pick up. Just turn on and let's just empty this here. Just take this off and pull out the filter, and was able to pick up roughly around 62 grams. And if I tap this filter, let's see if it's able to pick up more. Oh, it's just 62 grams out of the 70, which is less if you compare it to the ILIFE. But considering that its navigation isn't as sophisticated, isn't as refined as the ILIFE's, it was able to pick up oats that was scattered on the edges. Though I noticed that it wasn't as good at the edges compared to an ILIFE or a Xiaomi robot vacuum. I would say that the navigation pattern of this robot is twitchy. It moves back and forth. It seems like it wants to go to the edge, but it's like there's a force field in front of it that's stopping it from moving. And that's the soft touch feature. I'll show you the interface of the robot to show you what I mean. If you look at the top part of the robot here, this is the interface that you will see. All of this will light up as you press as this robot, when you turn this on, the vacuum, all of this lights up. I've turned on the UV, the timer, and the soft touch. And this is the key. You have to have this soft touch turn on. If you don't turn it on, it will bump into obstacles like a battering ram, and it's not good for your furniture. Again, if you have any questions or comments, suggestions, just leave them below in the comment section. And thanks again for watching.